Alright, hi Capricorn! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So I hope everyone's doing okay. So for today guys, gagawin natin ang inyong December 2025 General Tarot Reading. Titingnan natin guys kung ano ba mga maaari nyong ma-encounter, situations, ganyan, by the month of December 2025. Please do take note that this is just a general reading. So please only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para din po notified kayo about my new uploads, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and start. Capricorn for the month of December 2025. Capricorn, what's the tea? Okay, around December for Capricorn. Okay, you have your goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. So, maaaring may pagyabang when it comes to finances, ganyan. Maaaring magkaroon ng increase in income or influx of money. What else? You also have your diamond. You'll be receiving or giving a precious gift. So, maaaring ikaw makareceive ng literal na diamond or anything, basta may halaga, okay? I think this will be, I think basta merong magbibigay sa'yo ng either bulaklak or a diamond na literal. This is something with value. Okay, ano pa? Also have your throne, position of authority. So you're maybe dealing, so you could be either the one who is in authority, or you could be dealing with someone who has a position of authority, okay? Or maaaring maramdaman mo na it's like, I'm seeing here that you're gaining something na parang meron kang nag-elevate ka, parang ganun when it comes to status. And mountain road, you're on the road to success, okay? So meron daw pagtagumpay, mga tagumpay sa buhay, ganyan. Ano pa? Literal na pag-angat ng buhay, kabuhayan. I only need two. Okay, this one, wealth. Okay, so definitely something about pera. Okay. Ano pa? Yeah, Capricorns loves to work and finances. So, I think they're gonna be really happy about it. Cat, two-faced friend, and summon natin to. Ram, a stubborn, aggressive person. So, meron, mag-ingat lang daw sa mga mga plastic, cat, and a ram. Specifically, possibly, an Aries, okay? Someone who's stubborn or matigas yung ulo. Okay. Okay, let's move on to your tarot. So, ano mga bagay na pwedeng asahan ni Capricorn? I'm hearing August, so maybe some of you may nangyari ng August. Okay, na significant in your life still right now. Anong mga maaaring asahan po ni Capricorn around December? Okay. Two of Swords. So, meron ka sa situation na parang hindi mo alam kung paano mo siya i-approach or ano yung maging outcome or like, paano ba gagawin ko dito? Mga ganon. Could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Five of Wands kasi may conflict na involved. Maaaring may ibang taong involved. Maaaring puno to ng drama. King of Wands, you could be dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sag. It's like maybe may desired kang outcome kaso parang di mo alam kung paano mo yun makukuha. It's like maybe you're being demanded to do something. I don't know. Maybe you want to to do something kaso yeah, about mutual give and take. Okay, could be about love or maybe receiving something and also taking in something at the same time. Either love ito or something about career as well. Take it as it resonates. Seven of Pentacles, you want to build with either a situation na parang gusto mong mag-invest ng panahon doon, gusto mong parang mag-spend ng time. If this is a person, gusto mong invest in a relationship, okay, in a commitment with that person. Ano pa ang for Capricorn for the month of December? Capricorns, please. Thank you so much. Okay, this one daw. King of Pentacles. So, nakikita ko dito na meron kang pag-angat talaga when it comes to finances. Okay, this could be your energy, Capricorn, no? Nakikita ko rin talaga meron kang ma-receive na something quite big na may value talaga. Okay, na maybe something na you will consider na this is something I wished before, parang gano'n. And what else? And you will enjoy some celebrations, festivities as well, kasi nga December is a month of festivities, so maaaring meron kang i-celebrate by the time of December. Oh, Capricorn's birthday is in December, diba? So maaaring this came out in reversed. Okay, so maaaring mag-celebrate ka ng birthday mo. So nakikita ko kasi dito may cake siya and may wine, so baka may celebrate ka by December. So Magician card and the Page of Swords, meron ka siguro hindi kinakausap, okay, or meron kang bagay na gustong makuha na parang nahihirapan kang makuha, walang proper communication. Nakikita ko dito na meron kang gustong i-manifest na either situation or tao, kasi parang medyo impossible pa siya right now. Could be an Aries, Virgo, or a Gemini, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay? Anything else for the general? Okay, Knight of Cups. Okay, maaring ikaw to na gusto mag-offer ng something towards someone else. Could be with a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Or just the energy of basta gustong mag-offer. Page of Cups. Kasi parang medyo nag-hold back ka. Or maaring yung tao na yun yung nag-hold back. Okay, this could be someone from your past. Or something about your past. Okay, na maaring natapos na. So, parang gusto mo siyang i-resurrect or buhayin ulit. Okay. Let's move on to your career specifically. How about in career? Kamusta naman si Capricorn sa career specifically? Have your Empress card. Okay, so abundance, growth, expansion. I'm seeing offers. Okay, may mga mag-offer sa'yo ng mga bagay na tangible or material things. Okay. Mga bagay na talagang feeling ko ikasisiya ni Capricorn, ikasisiya mo something na talaga namang matutuwa ka. Okay? Kasi nakikita ko dito may light and abundance. So pregnancy talks about abundance, growth, success, ganyan. Okay? Ano pa? Ang kay Capricorn, Knight of Swords. So baka meron kang ano to? Empress, Knight of Swords, Queen, Four of Swords, and the Hermit card. Meron ka lang bagay na maybe gustong i-confront, something na maybe nagbigay sa'yo ng hard time. Could be a Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Virgo. What about it? Yeah, the Moon card, Pisces specifically. Something about maybe inalisan or iniwan, maaaring hindi na ibigay sa'yo. That really, parang puno ng drama, puno ng conflict, puno ng that kind of like, parang broke your heart with regards to money. Okay, Ace of Cups, bagay na gusto mong makuha, okay, kaso parang inilipad somewhere or parang hindi binigay siguro. Ganun natin siya makakonsider. Something involving documents, papers, something written, something siguro na pinagpaguran mo, something ito na talagang parang fulfilling para sa'yo, sana kung makukuha mo. World card, so maaaring wala, nag-end lang siya, okay? Five of Pentacles, so talagang maaaring nagbigay to sa'yo ng kind of like parang wala tinangay na or hindi ko nakuha or parang hindi ako kinonsider dito or parang hindi ko siya nakuha. That kind of gave you poverty or feeling na parang kakulangan sa pera din. Parang nahirapan ka rin sa pera siguro, or parang maybe hindi lang yung halaga yung hinihintay mo, kundi yung mapapala mo dun sa either title ito, or achievement ito, honor ito, parang ganon. Ay, kasi siguro na nakapag-invest ka na dun. Okay? Anything else about career? Anything else po about career? Anything else po about career ni Capricorn? Two of Cups, so I'm seeing new opportunities for you with regards to your career. Mga bagong partnerships. Ganyan. The period of being in Ten of Swords talks about betrayal. Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga kakolab mo, no? Mag-ingat ka lang sa mga tao na maaaring magbigay sa'yo ng betrayal or parang missed opportunities na parang baka mag-invest ka na naman tapos mawala na naman. Okay? Mag-invest ka tapos parang ina-expect mo na yon tapos biglang deceptive pala yung tao, may betrayal. Okay? Parang pagod ka na sa mga cycle na parang may nawawala sa'yo when it comes to money. So parang sinasabi dito na before siguro like masettle yung isang contract or masettle yung isang situation, make sure na nakuha mo yan para sa'yo. Is what I'm picking up. Make sure na you have the guts to parang, no, not really, pero parang you have, ginawa mo, or parang you muster all the strength, okay, to get what you need to gain in that situation. Okay? Alright, so let's move on sa love. Kamusta sa love si Capricorn around December 2025? Ay, Hangman. Kaso nakaganyan siya. Meron kang isang bagay na hindi maalisan, Capricorn. Meron kang isang bagay na maaring parang hanging. Kaso parang nakastuck ka pa rin. Parang hindi siya totally closed. Hindi rin siya totally na-let go na. Or wala siya presently in your life. Masasabi ko maybe kung kung relationship mo ito, like parang karelasyon mo presently. Basta parang bagay to na hindi mo ma-let go. Something to na feeling stuck ka. Something to na nahihirapan ka. I'm hearing in between. So stuck ka na mag-move forward, ganun, with the Eight of Swords. Maaring you're feeling mentally trapped as well, kung ano ba yung gagawin mo dito sa sitwasyon na to. Like, hindi ka makagalaw to have a new beginning, okay, and start something new. Maaring you want a happiness with someone, possibly Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, however, or a Pisces specifically. Kaya lang parang may nakaharang. Okay, maybe nakakulong ka about something. Maybe you're locked in about a certain situation na hindi mo pwedeng i-pursue yung person na yun. Hindi mo pwedeng maging kayo, ganon, parang ganon. I don't know. Like, hindi ka pwede doon sa sitwasyon na yun, parang ganon. And sa nakikita ko dito, it's like you wanna gusto mo mag-build with a certain person, kaso hindi mo magawa. The Eight of Cups, maaari nag-walk away na yung person na yun sa'yo. Like, emotionally, could be a Libra, Justice card. Yung situation na yun needs balancing, okay? So, maybe justice even, okay? Maaring meron ditong situation na nagbigay, and then yung isa na iwan, ganun. Okay? Maaring you're forced to leave that situation as well with the Eight of Cups in the beginning of the spread. Death card, so you could also be dealing with a Scorpio. I'm hearing na parang may pagbabago. Okay? Or parang may need magbago dito sa sitwasyon na to, or may pagbabago. I'm hearing na parang dahil hindi ka nagdesisyon on time, mawawala to. Or hindi ka nagdesisyon ng maayos on time, baka mawala to, mga ganon. Yeah, 4 of Wands. Maaaring mo sana makasama tong person ito for forever. Parang you can settle down with this person. Maaaring masayang kasama tong tao na to. Maaaring nung nakasama tong tao na to, puro lang kayo happiness. Yeah, Wheel of Fortune. Kinoconsider mo yung tao na talaga namang good person to be with. Okay? Kaso parang things went haywire. Ganon. Or haywire. Nagkaroon ng mga burdening situations. Ganyan. And parang nahirapang mag-offer ng commitment. Okay? Last spread for Capricorn. Last spread for Capricorn about December, for December, about love. 8 of Pentacles. Someone wants to build with you, or this could be you who wants to reconnect. Reunion. Okay? There could be a third party talaga dito. Okay? Someone sad. With the Moon card there. Again, strong Pisces. You have Pentacles. Yeah, someone wants to collaborate and start a new beginning. Okay? Alright, so there. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching your reading. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. And see you on our next readings, guys. Bye!